Thank you very much, Deputy.
The assertion that you said that government did nothing to help renters during the pandemic, that's the assertion I challenged. And I also challenge your sincerity and your lack of honesty about this. Just last week you opposed 1,200 houses in Donabate. What about the renters there who could have got affordable housing? Or those who could have got social housing from that project? What did your party do? You opposed it. How many more housing projects did you oppose that people who are currently renting could have got houses from or could get houses from? It's hypocrisy on a grand scale that your party has been at in relation to housing. You have no coherent proposals. You just keep attacking, opposing housing project after housing project. That's the level of sincerity that you as a party and you as a leader have been articulating for quite some time. It's all about votes. It's all about exploiting an issue. It's not about contributing to the resolution of the issue. And we have, during the pandemic, protected renters during the emergency period. And we have done everything we possibly can within the law to do that. And we're going to do more.
Thank you, Taoiseach.
But fundamentally, we've got to provide more housing, more affordable housing for young people, and also more social housing.
Thank you, Taoiseach. Time is up.
And I really would appreciate if you and your party would get the finger out and start doing something about that once and for all, and supported parties and on all councils across the country to get housing built.